Hello, savvy travellers, and welcome to Yerevan, the capital of Armenia. In the statue which is towering above me, we have Vardan Mamikorian, who was one of the great Armenian military minds of the 5th century, which just underlines what a rich and long history Armenia has had. And if we swing the camera around, we'll see a high-rise building but a very busy road. And behind that is the Vernissage on the other side of the road. Now, the Vernissage is the handicrafts market of Yerevan. It's grown enormously in recent years. Initially famous for both paintings and also carpets, which is the national handicraft with great history, in fact, before Christian times. But now it's grown to represent so many crafts, and it's literally in this direction, north towards the city centre, 1 kilometre, around about 5 aisles wide, and it is exceptional. Now, as far as I am told, this is the best handicraft market anywhere in the Caucasus region. I wonder if you've been to any others and what you think. I've already walked around before filming, and what I love is that most of what's on sale has been made locally with great love and represent unique souvenirs. Hello,
Hello, hello.
your name is RP,
Yes, my name is RP.
and these beautiful scarves, you've made them, is that right?
Yes, it's my works, all hand painted in natural silk.
Can you tell me a little bit about what they mean to you?
Yes, of course. Here, for example, there's something with pomegranate. It's the Armenian symbol, the red pomegranate, or maybe pomegranate but
Oh yeah,
abstract. This one of my best works.
is it? That's
Yes,
lovely.
and this one, the second one of my best works about Charles Aznavour sang.
Who is Charles Aznavour?
He's Armenian great singer.
I thought he was a French singer.
No, he's Armenian.
That's perfect. And you've put his verses on, is that right? His verses are on the scarf.
Yes, it's the sang she. You can.
I will read it in a minute. And do you have any scarves with mountains, Armenian mountains?
Yes, of course, I have here Armenian mountains,
Oh, that's lovely. I love that.
Armenian color, Armenian mountains.
That's great. And how much do they cost?
There are 20,000 dram, 15,000 dram, 10,000 dram. It's between $50 or less.
So, in the words of Charles Aznavour, she may be the reason I survive, the why and wherefore I'm alive. She may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in a stream. She may turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret. She may be the beauty or the beast, and may be a famine or a feast. Well, very wise words. And also, I think that the way you've painted this as well, it's kind of almost a little bit abstract, and it's really, really beautiful. It's absolutely lovely work.
In Armenian, hello means barev ձեզ.
And how do you say thank you?
Շնորհակալություն.
Well, that's very complicated. And how do you say goodbye?
Ստեցություն.
Sizutun.
Yes.
That's much easier. Look at these handbags, they're really amazing. They're hand painted, and the artist is actually selling them on his stand. And these really represent a unique present, I think, that you can take home. And they cost from around about £50 upwards, so perfectly fair price, and your girlfriend or wife will have never seen anything quite like it before. Armenia may be a country of just 3 million people, but actually it's a chess superpower, and as a result you'll see their chess sets everywhere. And again, they're all prices. If you have a look at these ones, they're made first of all of walnut, that's the lighter colour, and then the darker colour is beechwood. Those are over £100, so they're quite expensive, but I'm sure you can bargain the price down. These bowls, the gentleman has been painting them for the last 4 years. Look at the plates as well, you'll see this lovely green plate with pomegranate detail on it, and also other plates that have been based on traditional Armenian carpets. So again, a really lovely souvenir, and I think they cost around about £20 to £25. Some items for sale, like this one, are really not welcome. Like many art markets in this part of the world, the quality is very varied. Some of the paintings I wouldn't be seen dead with, some of them are really quite beautiful. I think what is super though is some of the still lives representing pomegranates. They do very well in the kitchen, and also, although perhaps not quite as well crafted, there are quite a lot of street scenes of Yerevan itself and paintings of Mount Ararat. And again, there's no reason why they shouldn't grace one of your rooms at home, a bedroom or a living room. That's quite a storm. It reminds me of Shakespeare's Tempest, which I saw only a couple of weeks ago on the London stage with Sigourney Weaver. I kept expecting something to emerge from her stomach, but thankfully it didn't. I can't say I like these. I'm not entirely sure Picasso would have been happy. Armenia has a rich tradition in carpet weaving which predates even Christianity. Obviously we're in a region that has a rich history in this regard. For example, Iran just down the road, Persian carpets. But Armenian carpets are also quite unique in their own right.
Vernissage selling carpets is very interesting and very difficult because not many people come to buy handmade carpets because its cost is higher, it's expensive. But many tourists from Europe, from USA coming just for buy something Armenian, ethnic Armenian carpets.
And where do most of the buyers come from other countries?
Come from USA, Italy, Germany, in Russia. Yes.
Russia most.
Yes.
Yeah.
We understand two kind of carpets. Carpet we understand like this skinny carpets, and gauge like in translate we rug. This carpet that has hairs on carpet. This carpet cost is 400,000 dram. It's about $1,000.
What?
My favorite carpet is this one. This name is Lori Pambak. Lori is a region. Pambak is a village where made these carpets. This
What does that cost?
these carpets cost is $1,500 because it's collection carpets.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you negotiate the prices a little bit?
Yes, yes.
Okay, very good.
Small carpets, but they are fragments,
Yeah.
a part of old and big carpets. It's an embroidery sumac carpets, like this, about 50, 60 years old. And the most older carpets is this one, 120 years old.
Wow.
It's a 4 parts embroidery with Armenian dragon pattern.
And how much are they?
$100.
And the little one?
It's a $50.
You have beautiful carpets, Artur. You speak amazing English.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You are welcome.
The Armenian genocide in 1915 makes it even more important for Armenian carpet weaving to maintain its traditions. And there's also a modern slant on this which I liked, which I found on Wikipedia. Not sure who said it, but somebody in Armenia pointed out that carpet making has been subverted by a technology that condemns handmade fabrics to museums and lets machines produce perfect but lifeless cloth. I'll tell you what, each of these carpets tells a rich story. You can see that this old larder from 2006, I'm told, is actually also for sale. So perhaps you could get a special deal and buy both the carpets and the car. Down here we find an LP with music for Cheburashka, who was the Soviet equivalent, if you like, of Mickey Mouse. Cheburashka is still very popular in Russia and the former USSR, and one reason is because his stories stress that where you're from truly doesn't matter, kindness matters a great deal more. Let me admit to being totally exhausted. Just checked my phone and I've walked 24,000 steps, and considering the hotel's only about half a mile away, all of the rest has been around the Vernissage, which gives you an idea of the scale and equally how many things there are to see. Anyhow, if you like these films, have a look above my head. You'll see one about Georgian cuisine, Khachapuri, which I think you'll enjoy, and on the other side you'll see another film which is best suited according to YouTube algorithms to your preferences. Anyhow, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again on another adventure very soon. Bye!